Hello students, welcome back to my channel. This is a question from Statistics class 10. Find the mean using assumed mean method. Children, there are three methods for finding the mean in class 10: direct method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. We have already completed direct method. If you have not seen that video, go to my channel. Go to class 10 statistics playlist and you can watch that video. Now this is the question. Class interval and frequencies are given. So I have made the table like this. So let us write the class interval given: 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180 and 180 to 200. Okay. Now frequencies, Fi is nothing but the frequencies. Just copy 100 to 120, 10, here 20, 30, 15 and 5. Okay. And whenever you write in such a way that you follow the place value system, so that when you add it will be easy for us. Okay. Xi is nothing but class marks. We have already discussed. To find the class marks, it is lower limit plus upper limit by 2 है ना. So 100 plus 120 by 2, which is 110. 120 plus 140 by 2, which is 130. 140 plus 160 by 2, 150. 160 plus 180 by 2, 170. 180 plus 200 by 2, this is 190. Okay. Now we require sigma, summation of Fi. Summation is nothing but sigma, or we'll call it as summation, which is nothing but sum of these frequencies. Okay. So if you see, we're getting 80 here. Now di is nothing but xi minus a. Assume mean method. In this xi's we have to assume one as mean. Okay. We can take any value as the mean. So I will be telling both. First I will take this as A. Even you can take 110 as A. Okay, I will show both. First let me show. If I take assume mean as A, assume mean A as 150, what will be the procedure? I will tell you. Any way you take, you will get the same answer. So assume mean can be any of the values in xi's. Okay. Now di is xi minus a. Xi क्या है? First 110 minus 150, which is minus 40. ठीक है. 130 minus first xi. ठीक है. 130 minus 150 is minus 20. अब xi क्या है यहाँ पे? 150 और a भी हमारा 150 है. 150 minus 150 is 0. Now xi is 170. 170 minus 150 is 20. 190 minus 150 is 40. Okay. So whenever you take a middle value as your assumed mean, that will be di, that column will be 0, and above you will get negative numbers, below you will get positive numbers. Okay. Now this Fi, okay, this Fi and di we are supposed to multiply. Okay. Let us multiply Fi into di. 10 into minus 40 is minus 400. 20 into minus 20 is, so you will be getting minus 400. 30 into 0 is 0. 15 into 20. 2 into 15 is 330 और यहाँ पे 0 लगा दीजिए, it will be 300. 4 5 are 20, यहाँ पे 0 है तो 0 लगा दीजिए. So we are getting, now we have to do the sum of this Fi and di, sum of these values. Okay. So now 400 minus 400 plus 300 will be minus 100 है ना. Minus 100 plus 200 will be positive 100. ठीक है. Positive 100 है ना. Positive 100 and negative 400 will be negative 300. So here we will be getting negative 300. Okay. Now the formula for the assumed mean is equal to, we have subtracted here a, so let us add that a in the formula. A plus summation or sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. This is the formula. So what is the assumed mean we have taken? It is 150, right? So यहाँ पे 150 plus what is sigma Fi di, which is minus 300 okay, by sigma fi. Fi is 80. Calculate, we will be getting 2 times 4, 2 times 15. Okay, so we will be getting 150. Plus into minus is minus, 15 by 4. So children, you divide this value. Instead of taking LCM and getting bigger value, this is small numbers, right? We can divide always. Okay, 4 3s are 12. So we will be getting here 3.0. 4 7s are 28. Okay, so we will be getting 2. You can put one more 0. 4 5s are 20. है ना? So we are getting 3.75. This value as 3.75. So mean will be 150 minus 3.75. Most of the students will make mistake here. Till here they will be doing fine. Here final answer they will make mistake because still they have confusion. It's subtracting the whole number and a decimal number. So whenever you are subtracting beta 150.00 you put. This is whole number part, this is decimal part. Okay, so here 3.75. okay, so 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 4 and 1. So the mean will be equal to 146.25. Previous video for direct method also we have discussed. Whenever you get the mean, you just observe the middle class interval. It will lie somewhere between that. 146.25 you got. So 146.25 will lie between this, right? Now let us take 110 as our A. Okay, so here what is it? Xi minus A. So Xi is 110, 110 minus A. We have taken this as A. So 110 minus 110 is 0. First value we are getting 0. Next, Xi is 130. 130 minus 110 is 20. 150 minus 110 is 40. 170 minus 110 is 60. 190 minus 110 is 80. Okay. Children, whenever you take first value as your assumed mean, you will not get any negative numbers. Difference you can see here we got negative numbers, right? Negative numbers, and here 0, then positive numbers. When you take the first value xi as assumed mean, then only positive numbers. So the students who still have still make mistakes in negative sign, positive sign, better you take this as your A value, but it is completely up to you. It is your choice. Okay, now let us do fi into di. 10 into 0 is 0. 20 into 20, 400. Okay, 30 into 40, 3 4s 1200, 1200. 15 into 6, 900. 5 into 8, 40 and 0. So we will be getting 400. Now let us do summation fi di or sigma fi di will be 4 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 4 19, 2900 we got. Now same thing, mean is equal to assumed mean we have subtracted here. So add it A plus summation fi di by sigma fi. You can call it as summation or sigma, it is fine. So what is the assumed mean we have taken in this part? We have taken 110. पहले में we have taken 150. So it is up to you which value you are taking as assumed mean. Okay. So यहाँ पे हमने 110 लिया है. So 110 plus what is summation fi di? 2900 है ना. By what is summation fi? This is 80. Okay. So by 80. Now let us simplify this. 110 plus, now we can simplify 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. 145 by 4. So let us divide 145 by 4. 4 3s are 12, 2 and 5. 4 6 are 24, 1, put point 0. 4 2s are 8, 2 0 4 5s are 20. Okay, so we are getting 36.25. 36.25. Okay, so 110 plus 0.00. Okay, how to add? Just now I told 36.25. This is whole number part, this is decimal part beta. So when we add, we will be getting 146.25. Mean is equal to 146.25. Previously what did we get? 146.25. It is up to you which one you want to take your assumed mean, but the answer will be the same. Hope you like this video. For step-by-step explanation of all class 10 important topics, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment.